Hello guys, it's me Yuki and this is just my quick unboxing and review for the Fujihama vacuum cleaner that I just bought. Let me highlight some important details. The functions are wet and dry suction as well as blower. The capacity is 12 liters and the voltage is from 220 to 240 volts. The only button here is for on and off and there are no vacuum suction power adjustments. Alright, here's a quick browse on the product manual. The main bendable vacuum hose is around 67 inches long. Now when you combine the 3 additional segment tubes, it's around 33 inches long. Here are the different nozzle accessories included. Adding the wheels is very easy. Insert the vacuum hose in front for the suction mode, while the blower mode is when you insert it at the back. Now let's try how powerful is the suction mode on different things. I actually bought this to deep clean our fabric sofa. I suggest that you do this during summer so that it's easier to dry, especially the large pillows. I just mix the fabric detergent with water and use a sponge to apply only on the surface of the fabric. Do not pour huge amount of liquid onto your sofa as it might compromise the quality of materials inside. Only apply this on the sides that need to be clean and you may skip the blind spots or sides that can't be seen to save time. Now, carefully vacuum all the sides where you applied the soap. Just to note that I bought this transparent deep cleaning nozzle and it is not included in Fujihama set. I suggest that you buy this as well to easily absorb the liquids and avoid damaging the fabric since you need to press a little bit hard while moving the vacuum nozzle. After absorbing the soap, you may use the sponge and apply plain water to the fabric surface and vacuum it again. By the way, I bought this vacuum at Shopee for 1,730 pesos or around $31. Just search Fujihama vacuum. I also bought the deep cleaning nozzle for 151 pesos at Shopee. Just search vacuum cleaner swivel head or deep cleaning nozzle. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this vacuum. The suction power is really good and the price is cheaper than the other brands with the same functions. I actually bought the vacuum and recorded the test videos 6 months ago before posting this review video. And until now, it is still working fine. Well, I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more review videos. You can check my playlist as well.